I will show you how to invest in Cypto options using Friktion Fi on Solana and earn 35% APY on Solana, and as added bonus qualify for possible airdrop that come in the future. Friktion Fi is a quantitative yield strategies to generate returns across market environments. Vaults allow anyone to invest in and trade products that are built with principal protection and yield generation. Vault number 01 focuses on income generation strategies. It runs automated covered call selling programs. Once deposited, funds are deployed into the current epoch and the vault becomes your active portfolio manager. Your deposits are auto-compounded weekly. Option strikes and expiries are algorithmically determined to maximize your returns and minimize the chance of an option being called or underlying asset assigned. Withdrawals can be preset and claimed once the withdrawal window opens. Vault number 02 focuses on generating yield on stablecoin deposits. The vault runs automated cash-secured put programs. Similar to vault number 01, your deposits are auto-compounded weekly. Friktion Tech, it is composable where share tokens, FCSOL, FCBTC, FPBTC, etc., are similar to LP tokens, which represent a pro rata ownership of the pool. These share tokens are technically a rebasing token, meaning it will change in value relative to the deposit token. Deposits made during an active epoch are pending deposits until the next epoch begins, at which time they are deployed into the strategy. When initiating pending withdrawal, the app will take your share tokens. This step will first automatically mint the share tokens, before giving it back to the Friktion Tech protocol. At the end of every epoch, after the pending withdrawal is processed, the pending withdrawal can be claimed. Those who use vaults are passive investors and liquidity providers, active traders, and DAOs. Passive investors use automated portfolio management to generate returns across market cycles. Input a portfolio of spot, perps, LP positions, and deploy models to determine how to protect and better grow your assets. Provide liquidity to your favorite yield farms while hedging your impermanent loss. Active traders deploy options, leverage without liquidations, to trade and earn through products like covered calls, protected puts, iron condors, and straddles on your favorite DeFi assets. DAOs identify and manage the risks of your protocol and Treasury. High voltage represents increased risk, defined by a higher probability of the option being exercised. In return for taking on increased risk, expected option premiums are higher, resulting in higher APYs. I deposited to low voltage for less risks of option being excised. First, I will show you how to buy Solana tokens and withdrawing to Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is the Chrome extension that is very well designed for Solana blockchain. It is very similar in operation to MetaMask for Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, supported chains including Ethereum. You can buy Bitcoin without fees from Strike app. I will provide link below. Send it to CoinEx centralized exchange without any fees because it uses Bitcoin Lightning Network. Use CoinEx exchange to convert Bitcoin into SOL using SOL/BTC pair. They withdraw directly to your Phantom browser extension wallet for Solana. The withdrawal from CoinEx was very fast as soon as I confirmed the withdrawal with the confirmation email. Secondly, I will show you how to find options on Friktion Tech Finance. There is covered calls on Vault number 01 that are income generation for SOL, BTC, ETH, AVAX, SOL, STEP, SBR, FTT, Luna, SRM, MNGO, and RAY. In Vault number 02 is sustainable stables where mostly yield generating stablecoin deposits. In Friktion Tech Finance, you can deposit to SOL token that you get from Lido Finance. SOL are staked Solana from Lido Finance where you deposit Solana and get SOL in return with little conversion while earning 6% APY on staked Solana. Next, I will show you the actual way to deposit to SOL tokens into a real covered call on Friktion Tech Finance. I decided to invest in the covered call for Solana at 35.2% APY. In Solana blockchain the deposit and approval was very instant. I was very impressed with Solana blockchain's performance and fee. The fees were in $0.002. Here are the performance fee of 10% from the auto-compounding gains. The withdrawal fee is 0.1% from the total deposit amount. Current Solana price is $124 and I deposited funds to a covered call option with strike price of $128. As long as price stays below $128 I get to accumulate more Solana with the premiums than my input of 0.5 SOL. The vault may incur a loss if the price of the underlying asset goes above the strike price and the option is exercised. Finally, I will show you how to get more details about Friktion Tech option analytics. I picked Sol covered call with strike price of $128. Each option is for epoch length of 7 days. Each epoch the strike price is different. As long as price says below the strike price your investment grows. This option style is European, means if your Sol market price is above strike price it is only allowed to be executed on last 30 minutes of the epoch or option expire time. If option type is American, option purchaser can execute the option by buying Sol at strike price, which is at lower price than current market price, and pocket the difference, making the difference a loss for me. Friktion Tech is a new service. I would not ape into it with life savings given smart contract risks. Also, options are risky where prices can move completely in option directions. If you enjoy this FriktionTech.fi options investing on Phantom video, please subscribe and hit the like button, show some love. Happy crypto!